done then.
Got you before you got me. Hey!
Unlucky, nice try, well done. Many kills, many kills.
Yeah. Yeah. Me. That was pretty good, wasn't it? On my own as well.
Well done, lad.
Shot me from behind then.
Somebody shot you from behind. You get it?
Don't think so.
No, I mean him.
Oh no.
There's one there.
Got him.
Yeah, he's hit. There's another one on the right peeking out.
Is
there.
Oh, I see him.
You get him?
No. They are running across to the med block, I've seen them, so they might likely to pop out here. Yeah. Get a bit of cover.
Someone in there. I saw a head.
Did you? This is where we started.
Oh no, I don't know where they were.
They were in the other building.
Blue!
Blue! Colour! Colour!
Got it. From, oh,
Got a very cold
finger.
finger.
The same.
It's wet, that's why.
Oh.
I have got spare gloves.
What's going on? Where did those yellows come from? Where have you gone?
They were in the other building. We've just run away from them.
Oh.
I know. But
Right, where are we? Where are we
yeah,
off?
so
What's the
I
plan?
think we should go back into where it's dry.
Are these yellows
I can see him, hang on. I'll tell you in a second. They are running.
I don't think he's dead. He's going in.
Yeah, he's dead.
No, he's dead. His blue's there. I don't. That's not hit me yet. But
Where's that coming from?
No.
Hit! Ah, yeah! Blue medic! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's two in the window over there. Cheers. Probably you go out there, you're in trouble. Maybe. See, hang on.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah, the one's coming in.
Yeah.
Let's get him. He's coming round. He's coming round. I'll get round this way.
Oh, I'll move closer to it.
What's wrong? It smells lovely. You haven't. No one's hit me.
No, you didn't, lad.
You didn't, honestly. Hit!
Alright, I'll go walk back.
Oh, fuck. Well, I'm dead anyway. Dead! Wow, my ears. They're popping out down at the bottom. Oh, I see. Did you get him?
No. Oh. Just don't. I don't know if they're dead or alive. Don't peek. You'll probably get them.
I'll get to this window.
Just don't make stuff obvious.
No. They're all alive. Should we do it?
Not yet.
No, why not?
We don't know if they're alive.
They are alive.
Oh, they are.
Let's do it. Okay. They're all dead. That was good. There's another one coming back. Good, eh?
What's that? 5 kills?
Yeah. Someone firing at us, or is that?
Guys, look, the 2 of you need to be next to the truck. The rest of you will get smoked. Jump up to the other side of the hill. Go up to the side of the hill. You've got protection.
Jack, do you mind?
Yeah.
Thank you. I've got this. Yeah. I've got it. Camera's running. I can edit that bit out.
What was that?
Yeah, okay. Shit.
Hit. Oh, I took that camera. Oh, fucking